Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you are aware, EPFO has started its biggest mass hiring, and now the link is active. That means now you will be able to apply for this drive. Any year pass out graduate, that means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 can apply. Any degree, Btech, BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, MTech, MSc, MCA are eligible to apply for this drive, and the salary here will be 45,000 rupees per month. As I have told you earlier, so this is a golden opportunity for South Indian student. So if you are from Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, then you have more number of vacancies. For Maharashtra and West Bengal also, the number of vacancies are more, and the syllabus is similar to Infosys, TCS, Wipro syllabus. I will talk about each and everything, and in this video I will also tell you step by step registration process, so you do not have to worry at all. Now friends, here if you'll see the advertisement, then I will talk about the syllabus, then only you will get the clear idea. There is no interview and there is only one round. General aptitude means reasoning, like sitting arrangement, alphabetical order questions, right? And then direction question, blood relation question, right, which is already there in your placement exam. And then quantitative ability, that means time and work, time and distance, simplification, percentage, profit and loss, the same topic as placement exam. And the level of the question will be also very, very low. Friends, right now, we do not have much vacancies. Right now, we do not have much requirement. And that is the reason I am putting all this kind of job, right? And this is for the social security assistant. The salary here is very good. It's a central government job. Friends, before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the update regarding hiring or any company updates are there. We will give you each and everything. Okay. Now, and then we have English. So English same as placement. Computer literacy. If you type, if you press Control A, what will happen? If you put Control D, what will happen? Control C, what will happen? Okay. In Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, question based on that will be asked. Only one extra things will be asked is general knowledge, general awareness, like in current things what is happening, that is what you have to read. That is 1 month is more than sufficient, right? Okay. And the second round is computer skill test. That means basically in 1 minute how many words you will be able to type. That in 10 days you will be able to prepare, just 10 hours, and I will help you for that, right? Okay. Now, so friends, the link is given in description. Okay, the apply link is given in description. Okay, so of this particular video, so just go to description and click on the link. Okay, now, so friends, here you can see apply for online registration, fill online application form and pay examination fees. There is a examination fees which you already know. Now what you have to do, you have to do the new registration. Okay, so registration, application form, and then pay the fees. And here what you have to do, click here to proceed, right? Okay, after that you have to fill the details like what is candidate name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, identity type. So you can select PAN card, or you can select, right, voter ID card, anything, and then you can fill the number here. And then your present address, right, locality, which state you belong, which district you belong, pin code, your present address, and then you have to choose a password. So you can choose a password which should be taking all those things. So you can also choose a password online study for you at 125, that will work. Okay, and you can select a security question here. So what is the website you rarely visit? So you can mention facebook.com, and then you can mention this enter security pin, right? So friends, here you have to give all your information, right? Here I cannot do anything, because see, candidate name, definitely you have to put your candidate name, your father name, your mother name. And once you fill this, then they will be asking your details, like in 10th what was the percentage of marks you obtained, right? So all your details, right, will be asked. So only your details. And definitely, if you have any doubt in filling the forms, you please let me know in the comment section. I am always ready to help you, right? So because I have already filled it, right, and so I have the idea. Okay, So friends, please utilize this opportunity, because in software industry right now we do not have very good opportunities, right? You all know, because of recession, right? Okay, so friends, this opportunity is definitely going to play a very very important role. So it is a very golden opportunity for all over. So it's a pan India hiring, so all over Indian states, okay, mostly South Indian, right? So from the South India people, South India students will have more advantage, because the number of vacancies are huge. Here you can see, right? So if you come down here, so I just wanted to show you. Okay, fine. So Tamil Nadu, we have 416 seats. Telangana, we have 116 seats, right? And then again, West Bengal, we have 220, right? And if you go up, so you can see the number of seats, and accordingly, you can plan to apply for that, right? So thank you, friends, and all the very, very best. And if you think that these videos are useful, please leave a comment, okay, leave a like, so that I'll be doing more and more things for all of you. Thank you, take care, and all the very very best, my dear